You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly and clarify the pronunciation in English. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, including from music, stay tuned. Yes, this is pronounced percussion, or in American English the pronunciation is as percussion. All right, this is either musical instruments that are played by striking, sort of drums if you want, or xylophones. Also just the strike of a solid object against another is a percussion. How to say percussion, English pronunciation percussion. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.